Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I want to take a quick look at the OG Galaxy watch. Now, this is the watch that came out in 2018. And so it's been out for a few years now, right? And but this is still a good watch, and the battery life is a beast. Everybody knows that, right? When you talk about Galaxy watches, this has the best battery life. But as you can see, it's a little beat up. You can see around the edges there where you got some scuffs, some scraps. So it's looking a little worn out, all right? Now what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and try to spruce it up a little bit with a couple of add-ons that's going to make it a little bit better, all right? Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use this Rinky bezel styling kit. As you can see right there, you can put a bezel on top of the current watch bezel to spruce it up, make it look new and a little cleaner. All right, that's by Rinky. And then I have this bumper right here that I'm gonna put on to make it the whole thing black. All right, it's a rubber bumper, and you put it around there, and it's going to clean that up as well, right? Kind of give it a little more uniform look. All right. Now I'll put the link in the description for these. You can get these from Amazon, and pretty inexpensive. Okay. Okay. First, we're going to take out this rubber bumper, and we're going to put this on to get that silver. Get rid of that stainless steel silver look. I prefer the darker look anyway, so this is what it looks like right here. Shiny. It's got that piano black look, and you kind of fit this over the top and over the sides, and then this covers up the back right here. All right. Okay, so when you're putting this on, you want to make sure you got everything lined up, and you want to fit it onto the sides like this. You can put it on with the band on. So just put that in that side right there, and put this in this side right here. And then you're going to have the opportunity to slide this down like that. You can see that, right? And then it slides that onto that and slide that onto that. Okay. Get that bumper in there. So now you got the black bumper, all right? So it looks pretty good, okay? That looks nice. Hopefully that holds up pretty well. Now you still got this scratchy area around here, so you want to get rid of that, okay? Let's work on that. Now this right here has an adhesive, so you got to be a little more careful with this one when you're putting this on. All right, so you got this right here. A little padding behind there, not much there, but here's the bezel right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out of this for the 46 millimeter. Now it has an adhesive on back. You can see the little tab right there. You pull that off, and then you're going to line this up. You put the top right here, and you got the bottom right here where you got the 30 right there. So it'll sit just like this. I'm sorry. Just like this right here, all right? You got that 15 right there, the line up that 15, and the 30 right there, and then you got a new bezel, all right? That's what it's gonna look like. All right, let me put that on, and we'll come back. Okay, so that was a quick look at a couple of add-ons to spruce up the Galaxy watch. Big battery life watch. This is the best battery life on the Galaxy watch ever made. So if you're still using that, that's a way to spruce it up right there, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.